Did you wash your hands? With soap? Did you dry them?
What? Is this all vegetables? Who wanted all vegetables?
I did.
So, are we going to talk about it?
What?
The elephant in the room.
What elephant?
Mom's new job.
Probably the first idea I had about this movie was right on the heels of the original movie. And that was that I wondered how Bob would take it if his wife got the assignment rather than him. I think it is incomprehensible to him that that would ever be a logical choice. And it's not because he thinks poorly of his wife, it's because he so believes in his own abilities, and he thinks it's so apparent to everyone the way it is to him.
It's time to make some wrong things right. Help me bring supers back into the sunlight. We need to change people's perceptions about superheroes, and Elastigirl is our best play.
Better than me?
Incredibles 2 has two new characters that are major characters in this film, Winston Dever and his sister Evelyn. And they inherit their father's sort of electronics company. And they, instead of just being people that collect the money, they actively run the company. And Winston is sort of the company guy, and Evelyn comes up with technical things, developments and breakthroughs that they can then commercially adapt. And so they've not just inherited the father's company, they've made the company far bigger and more successful.
Hello?
Hey, honey. How are the kids?
Everything's great.
Is she having adolescence?
And Jack?
He's in excellent health.
Whoa, what the?
Num-num cooking.
Oh, my God.
Cooking.
Wow, gay. That is freaky.
One of the pleasures of doing this film was that, unlike the first film, I had not only gotten my dream guys, my dream cast, but I had also worked with them before. So I knew how much fun it was, and that, you know, they can go anywhere you need them to go. And it was wonderful to return to working with Craig and Holly and Sam and Sarah and all of the voices in this film.
The screenslaver interrupts this program for an important announcement.
Suit up. It might get weird.
I'll be there ASAP.
Where you going ASAP? You better be back ASAP.